Today I talk about music. Music is a part of our lives. When we were growing up to when we were old. Music is where you search for it. My music starts with morning alarm. Music is not only created by people but also all around us in the nature. Music is a supermarket. It serves everything. If you are happy, you dance with music. You are sad, sleep with blanket with music. If you are athlete, then run faster with music. The power of music shows in simple things. When we absent-mindedly tap the feet on a beat, uh, may it be hit on rhythm and dhol in Ganesh Chaturthi procession. Music is everything. Thank you.